What is glass child syndrome? The term glass child refers to siblings of children with chronic illness or disabilities. These siblings often feel invisible, overshadowed by their siblings' condition, which has gained attention, denoting the emotional struggles faced by these children. Siblings of chronically ill children may experience feelings of neglect. They often perceive that their needs are secondary to those of their ill sibling. Symptoms may include frustration, jealousy, or feelings of being overlooked. Parents can plan one on one activities to strengthen their bond. Although not scientifically validated, the concept of a glass child resonates with the ideas that some individuals, particularly children, are more emotionally delicate or sensitive than others. Healthy siblings might adopt a sense of responsibility for their ill sibling. While this can encourage maturity, it is important to balance this with the child's need for normalcy. Alicia Maples popularized the term glass child syndrome in a 2010 TEDx talk. In cultures like Asian families, traditional gender roles may burden eldest children, leading to heightened responsibilities and emotional struggle. This can involve various techniques for normalcy of child's behavior. CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy. This helps children process their feelings and develop healthier thought patterns. Art or play therapy. Engaging in creative activities can be a powerful way for children to express themselves. Support groups. Connecting with others facing similar challenges can provide emotional support and validation.